Very good morning, children. Welcome to the today class. 8.4 exercise, fifth main, sixth sum. Today we are going to continue. Prove the following identities. The first one, square root of sixth one, square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a equals to secant a plus tan a. So how to prove this one? First of all, we are going to take the LHS equals to, therefore LHS equals to 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. So under the square root of. Here it is. When it is then square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a, we are taking rationalizing factor. Rationalizing factor of denominator. What is the denominator? 1 minus sin a. 1 minus sin a is, what is it? 1 plus sin a. This is the rationalizing factor of denominator. Therefore, as it is, you have to write down the given problem. What is it? 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a into rationalizing factor. What is the rationalizing factor of denominator? 1 minus sin a, 1 plus sin a. That we have to multiply with the denominator and numerator. 1 plus sin a. So this is 1 plus sin a equals to, therefore, now children, you have to verify. Here it is 1 plus sin a into 1 plus. That means x into x. X into x, how much it is? X square. Therefore 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a means 1 plus sin a whole square by, here also a plus b, this is the square root of the numerator and denominator. 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b formula, a minus b into a plus b equals to a square minus b square. A means 1, b means sin a. Therefore 1 square minus sin square a. Therefore here now we have to divide the square root for the numerator and denominator. 1 plus sin a whole square by, it is 1 minus sin square, square root of 1 minus sin square a. Here 1 minus sin, 1 square means 1, 1 minus sin square means identity. What is identity? Therefore sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1. From this one, cos square a equals to how much it is? 1 minus sin square a. From the identity one, this is since. Instead of this one, 1 minus sin square, therefore square root get cancelled here. 1 plus sin a by, here also 1 minus square root of, and 1 minus sin square a means cos square a. From here we are writing, therefore cos square a. Therefore square root cancel here also. The balance is 1 plus sin a by cos a. Therefore equals to, now 1 by cos a, just I am dividing 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. So what is that? Therefore 1 by cos a means, 1 by cos a means secant a plus sin by cos means tan a. So this is equals to RHS. Therefore LHS equals to RHS. What is RHS? Well, secant a plus tan. So we prove now. Therefore RHS equals to secant a plus tan. So this is the fifth main, sixth one. Now we are coming to the seventh one. That is fifth main, seventh one. The fifth main, seventh one, it is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equals to tan theta. We have to prove this one. Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. That is, we have to prove that one. So here children, once you have to verify here, this is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equals to tan theta. We have to prove. So from the LHS I am going to take, therefore LHS equals to sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. So equals to sin common. Here sin common means what is it? Therefore sin theta common, 1 minus 2 sin square theta by, Here cos theta common. Cos theta common means 2 cos square theta minus 1. That is the, so from the numerator denominator, from the numerator we have to take the common, sin theta common, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Here cos theta common from the denominator, 2 cos square theta minus 1. Instead of 1 equals here identity we have. What is identity 1? Sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 also we can write. So here sin theta, instead of 1 I am writing here sin and cos is there. Sin and cos identity relation. What is that first one? Sin square theta. Therefore sin square theta plus cos square theta. Instead of 1 children I am writing minus 2 sin square theta by cos theta 2 cos square theta minus 1 means same. I am writing same formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. When you are writing plus or minus it will come. Why means minus into of this is. Therefore sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Here you have to write sin square theta. Now cos square theta I am writing first of all cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta plus 1 sin square theta. Minus 2 plus 1 minus sin square theta. By here also 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. So these two are equal from the numerator and denominator. Therefore cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta. Both are get cancelled. Therefore sin theta by cos theta means tan theta. This is equals to RHS. Therefore LHS equals to RHS. So this is the seventh problem. When we are coming to the eighth problem, the eighth one it is sin A plus cosecant A whole square. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square equals to, we have to prove that one, that is equals to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square. In the textbook it is there. Just look at the children, that is right. We have to prove that one. So from here this is sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square. Just I am taking LHS equals to, the LHS equal to sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. This is equals to LHS. Here A plus B whole square. This is A plus B whole square. First one plus A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square formula A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now here A means sin and B means cosecant in the first one. So here I am going to expand as per the A plus B whole square. Sin square A plus cosecant square A, sin square A plus A square plus B square plus 2AB. 2 into A means sin A, B means cosecant A. This is the first one, expansion, plus here the second one, expansion. What is the second one, expansion? Cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 cos A into secant A, that is. Okay, when we are coming here now, just look at here. Here sin square A plus cos square A. What is that sin square A plus cos square A means? 1. Therefore 1, next remaining cosecant square A. Cosecant square A plus children sin A into cosecant A, 1. Why means cosecant A is the reciprocal of sin. That's why sin A into cosecant A equal to 1. Sin after, what is the second reciprocal of trigonometric ratio? Cos. Cos into secant, 1. Tan into cot, 1. 3 are there. What is that? Sin A into cosecant A equals to 1. Cos A into secant A equals to 1. tan A into cot A equals to 1. That's why sin A into cosecant A equals to 1. 2 into 1, 2 plus. Here cos square already is gone. Then here secant square A balance secant square A plus 2 into second trigonometry is the cos. Cos reciprocal is the secant. Therefore cos A into secant A 1. Here sin A into cosecant A 1. Cos A into secant A 1. One more it is there. Tan A into cot A also 1. Therefore 2 into 1, 2 here it is. So children, once you can count numericals 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 cosecant square A plus secant square A. So identity, what is the third identity? Cosecant, here I am writing since cosecant square A minus cot square A equal to 1. So from this one cosecant square is required. Cosecant square A equal to 1 plus cot square A. Here cosecant, secant also. This is identity 3. Second identity, just I am writing 1, and this is the third identity, and this is the second identity. What is the second identity? Secant square A minus tan square A equals to 1. Therefore from here the secant square A equals to 1 plus tan square A. So instead of cosecant and secant I am going to change it here now. Therefore I am writing 5 plus cosecant value from identity 3 here. This cosecant square A means 1 plus cot square A. 1 plus cot square A plus secant square A means identity 2. Secant square A. 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A. Therefore 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A equals to RHS. Therefore LHS equals to RHS. This is the 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So this is the solution of the 8th one. So these are the from identities. The third identity, cosecant square A minus cot square A equals to 1. Cosecant square A equals to 1 plus cot square A. Secant square A minus tan square A equals to 1. Secant square A equal 1 plus tan square A. Cosecant value we are writing 1 plus tan square A here is. This is the cosecant means 1 plus tan. Just here I am underlining. Secant means 1 plus tan. So 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. This is equals to RHS. This is the 7th one, this is the 6th one. 6th, 7th, 8th from the 5th. The remaining sums will continue. The homework sums will be given in the WhatsApp group. Thank you. Have a nice day.